So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the fuel filter. So we're going to show you exactly how to change this fuel filter. So the first little packet comes with 3 filters. Okay. So you get extra filters with it. And then the second pack is an O-ring. Okay. There's your O-ring. And then the third pack is your actual filter housing. Okay, so it comes with everything you need. All right, so to do the actual fuel filter change, it's very simple. This is your fuel shutoff. Right now it's on, it's facing down. And now if you turn this all the way to the top, like that, now the fuel is off. Okay, and this right here should be pretty easy to take off. If you need to put a wrench on it, you can put a wrench on it. But usually you can get it off with your hand. I'm gonna hold it, there it goes. Alright, so now we have our fuel off. Let's see what it looks like. I don't even see a filter in here. So mine's missing the filter. But let's see what this looks like. So it's off-road diesel, so it's red. You see that red? Look at that. Ugh. There's a big clump of something went in there. Yeah, so mine doesn't even have a filter in it. That's not good. So I went ahead and I opened up my fuel filter. I got my O-ring. So the O-ring is going to go right on top of this plastic, just like that. You got your O-ring on. The fuel filter, the opening is going to go up in there, and then this is going to go on top of it. So it slides up in there and it clicks right in, and that's it. And then you put this on. And then you'll take your big nut, we're going to slide it over and we're going to tighten it up. Super simple to do. Now we're not going to tighten it all the way, we're going to leave it like pretty loose because we're going to turn the fuel on and we want to see fuel leaking out of here. So let's turn the fuel back on. Okay, you see it filling up? We're trying to get all this air out. Alright, so now that we see it leaking, we can go ahead and tighten it up. And that'll get a lot of the air out right off the bat. Okay. It doesn't have to be cranked down tight, but you do want it pretty tight. Just hand tight. Let the O-ring do its job. The next thing you need is a Phillips screwdriver. You see these 2 little screws here? You got 2 Phillips. There's one here and one there. We're going to loosen this one first. Crack it loose until you see fuel coming out. See the steady stream? You want to get all the air bubbles out. And then tighten it back down. And the same thing with the next one. All the air bubbles out until you see a steady stream. Okay, tighten it down. Super simple. You guys, that's it. Now we can go ahead and start this tractor up. All right, let's see if this thing will start. Give it some fuel.